Today we will see another interesting concept, that is the wish sentences. That is those sentences you must have observed, many people will use this wish. I wish I had been there, I wish I were in Sydney, something like that. So, that how to use it and what are the techniques of using it and what are the grammatical aspects of using that sentence, that we will see today. See here, observe this sentence. There is a situation. Anthony does not live in the city. Anthony does not live in the city. What is the wish? I wish that Anthony lived in the city. So, this is something is not as we like it to be. We want Anthony to live in the city, whereas Anthony is not living in the city. So, you can say this one, I wish that Anthony lived in the city. I wish Anthony was my teammate. I wish this match had been played by Sachin, something like that. That has not happened, but you wish it should have happened. So, the verb form, you will see the verb form lived is used here in the subordinate clause after wish. After wish we are using the past tense. It is identical in the form to the past form. Here, though we are talking about the present, we are using a past tense form. Underline this one, understand my sentence. We are using only the past form. The meaning of this form is not past. Here, lived refers to present only. Though it looks like a past tense, lived, ate, came, met, etc. I wish he would have met me. I wish he would have met me. I wish the rain would have, I wish there is no rain. I wish there was no rain, something like that. So, it was, though it was seemingly past in the form, it is not actually past, it refers to the present. Then, the situation expressed is contrary to the actual truth. Something happened which is contrary to actual truth and you are talking about it. For example, Anthony does not live in the city. That is, you want him to live in the city. So, it is contrary to the truth. You want him to live in the city, but he is not living in the city. So, in such type of situations, we use the wish sentences. See here some more examples. I wish I knew Kim's phone number. Actually, you do not know Kim's phone number. So, you regret that you do not know his phone number. Something is not as we like it to be. You wanted Kim's phone number, but you do not know it. So, in that type of situation, he does not know the number actually. So, in that type of situation, we use I wish I knew Kim's phone number, meaning that you do not know Kim's phone number and you regret of not knowing it also. Then, do you ever wish you could fly? You can't fly, you can't fly, but you are feeling that you wanted to fly, but it cannot. It's raining, I wish I had an umbrella, I wish I had an umbrella. It happens, you go out and you never thought it would rain and rain suddenly it becomes very cloudy. Then you feel that, oh, if I had an umbrella in hand, it would have been better. So, I wish I had an umbrella, meaning that you do not have an umbrella, but you are regretting for it. He does not carry an umbrella. I wish I knew his address, meaning I am sorry, I do not know his address. You do not know his address. So, you are regretting that I wish I knew his address. I wish you could drive a car. He cannot drive a car. He did not drive a car maybe. But you are wishing, I wish you could drive a car. I am sorry, you can't drive a car is the meaning there. I wish you had invited him. He was not invited, but somebody is regretting, I wish we had invited him. We wish we had invited him. I wished I hadn't spent so much money. A lot of money has been spent. Now you are regretting for that. So, how will you say, I wished I hadn't spent so much money. I wished he would answer my letters. He is not answering your letters. So, had he answered my letters, the situation would have been different. I wished he had answered my letters. I wished he had answered my letter means he has not answered your letters and you are If he had answered your letters, situations would have been different. Let us see some more examples. I wish you would stop smoking, meaning that why won't you stop smoking? He is not stopping smoking, he is not stopping it, but you want him to stop it. I wish the postman would come soon. The postman should have come by this time, but he has not yet come. So, I wish the postman would come soon, because you have some other engagement to do. I wish it would stop raining. It is raining, but you do not want it to rain. I wish it would stop raining. I wished I had taken his advice. You did not take his advice. That is a real meaning, something contrary to the truth. But you are repenting on that, you are regretting for that. I wished I had taken his advice. I wish I were in Paris by now. I wish I were in Paris. You are not in Paris, but you say, I wish I were in Paris. My father works in an office all the time. I wish he worked outdoors. Always my father is in office. I want my father to be outdoors. So, I wish my father worked outdoor. I wish the other people spoke as clearly as you. Other people are not speaking as clearly as him. So, you can say, I wish the other people also behave like you. I wish other people spoke like you. My wife is a wonderful dancer. I wish she were also a good cook. I wish the doctor were in now. The doctor is not there, but you are saying that is something contrary to, you want the doctor to be there. In such a situation, you will say that, I wish the doctor were in now. I wish your sister felt well. This pattern is difficult. I wish it were easy. The question paper was very difficult for you in the examination. So, you tell your friends, I wish it was easy. I wish it were easy, because you wanted it to be easy, but it was not. Books are expensive. I wish they weren't expensive. Books are expensive. I wish they weren't so much expensive. She has a sore throat. I wish she didn't have a sore throat. She came to address, but she had a sore throat. So, she was a good orator. So, people regret for that. They say that we wished she didn't have a sore throat. Joe is a doctor. I wish he weren't. He is unfit to be a doctor, but he is a doctor. So, you say, I wish he weren't a doctor. They won't help us. I wish they would help us. The weather is awful. I wish the rain would stop. So, in all this, if you see, we are using the past tense. So, was and were, be form becomes was and were, and would also we use, could also we use, and then we use the normal past tense like I knew, like that. So, that this is also one of the structures we use in our day to day speech. Randomly, whenever the situation comes like this, we should not say that in some other way. This is a proper way of expressing this type of intention. This type of intention should be expressed in a proper way. When we are regretting, I wish I had helped him, because he asked your help, you did not help him. So, I wished I had helped him. I wished I could have carried the tiffin box with me, like that. So, just go through this practice and construct more sentences on your side only, and use it in your day to day speech. Thank you.